In this video, we are going to look at the continuous report in Schoolbox. To access a student's grades report as a teacher, you first need to locate a student. You can do this by searching their name in the top search bar, or by clicking on their name in your class list. From the student's profile page, click on Grades. This will take you to an overview page that displays the grades for every subject a student is enrolled in. This page can be visible to students, parents, and teachers. So any feedback and grades teachers provide can be accessed at any time, if they are made available to each audience. Using the drop-down menu, you can change the term, semester, or year which you are viewing. The options available will vary depending on your school's setup. Clicking on a subject will provide you with the continuous report for that subject. Here, the student's report is populated with data based on the marking and feedback from their teacher. Some of the components on this page can be turned on or off by your school, so you may not see all the same features on a grade report as I am showing you here. The displayed current grade average for the student is calculated based on all weighted assessment tasks that have been made visible. By visible, I am referring to the mark visibility and whether the grade has been published. So if a teacher is still working on marking an assessment, the grade may not be published, or the visibility of the activity may be set to staff only. This means the current grade average visible to teachers may appear differently to students and parents, because staff have access to marks yet to be released that impact the average. Once the results of an activity have been published and made visible to staff, parents, and students, it will change the grade average. This is a live mark that changes over time as new assessment results are added. The box and whisker plot shows a student's achievement per activity in relation to other students in his or her class. The line through the middle of each plot represents the median grade for that assessment task for the class. The box represents the middle 50% of grades, 25% being above the median and 25% below the median. The whiskers either side of the box represent the top 25% of grades and the bottom 25% of grades. So each section of the box and whiskers represents 25% of the grades. The red dot is the student's grade. Hovering over the red dot provides more information about the student's grade and any feedback that was given for the task. The box and whisker plot provides useful comparative data for students, teachers, and parents to see where the student sits for each assessment against their classmates. If you are using Rubrics in Schoolbox, you will be able to see a student's achievement per capability and indicator. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will show you the descriptor a student has achieved on a particular assessment for a particular skill. If the same capabilities and indicators are being assessed across multiple assessment tasks, you will be able to see how they've progressed in a particular skill. This adds another valuable layer of feedback and can be easily accessed by parents and students at any time. Next is a list of activities for the class. Here you can see the grade or status of an activity and feedback. Clicking on the title of due work activities provides more detail. Here, parents, teachers and students can see the task itself, the rubric with the student's level of achievement highlighted, and the result. At the bottom of the page is the submission history feed. This will display a record of interactions for that particular due work, including draft submissions and previous feedback. From here, original online submissions can be downloaded. The teacher's feedback can be viewed, and annotated returns can also be downloaded. Back on the subject's report page, you can also further communicate with parents, teachers and students through the comment box. This could be used for many different purposes. For example, You could ask students to write a comment reflecting on their progress thus far. Or you could use this feature to communicate with parents about how they can provide additional support at home.